Hello again, guys, and once again, we're starting the exercise. Once again, when you see a sentence in front of you in English, pause the video and say it out loud in Hebrew. Once you've done so, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, write it down in your notebook. Yossi, when do you work? Yossi, מתי אתה עובד? I work in the morning. אני עובד בבוקר. מיכל, when do you study? מיכל, מתי את לומדת? I study in the evening. אני לומדת בערב. When do you guys eat? מתי אתם אוכלים? We eat at noon. אנחנו אוכלים בצהריים. When do girls rest? מתי אתן נחות? We rest in the afternoon. אנחנו נחות אחר הצהריים. Once again, let's make sentences passive. And how do we make it passive? By using the plural masculine form. When people eat breakfast, it actually means when breakfast is eaten. So once again, the word in brackets, people, will not appear in the sentence. But this should be used for reference that you need to conjugate the verb to eat, the verb le'echol, in its masculine plural form. When breakfast is eaten. When people eat breakfast. Once again, the word people will not appear in the sentence. מתי אוכלים ארוחת בוקר? Breakfast people eat in the morning. ארוחת בוקר אוכלים בבוקר. When people eat lunch. מתי אוכלים ארוחת צהריים? Lunch people eat at noon. ארוחת צהריים אוכלים בצהריים. When people eat dinner. מתי אוכלים ארוחת ערב? Dinner people eat in the evening. ארוחת ערב אוכלים בערב. When people drink coffee. מתי שותים קפה? People drink coffee in the morning. שותים קפה בבוקר. When people drink wine. מתי שותים יין? People drink wine at noon. שותים יין בצהריים. When people drink beer. מתי שותים בירה? People drink beer in the evening. שותים בירה בערב. Excellent job, guys. I hope that this exercise went good for you. And that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.